So, if you're trying to launch a recipe site and you are honestly a little worried about how you're going to scale content or get traffic from Pinterest, this video is going to make things way simpler for you guys. What I'm going to show you is a data driven way to create AI recipes that are actually built to work on Pinterest, not just random posts that go nowhere. We are going to tap into what's already trending, what's likely to trend next, and then use that to create content fast without overthinking it. And the best part, you don't need to guess anything. Let me show you exactly how I do this. Alright, so first thing I want you to do is head over to Pinterest Trends and allow some time for the page to load. Once the page loads, on the left hand side, click on the search. Now, once you are here, don't overthink it. Just go to the filters and set the interest to food and drinks. That's where all your recipe opportunities live. Now, quick tip from how I usually do this. Start thinking about upcoming events. So things like holidays, seasonal moments, stuff people are already planning for. In our case, I'm going to pick Mother's Day because recipes and crafts around this blow up on Pinterest every single year. So let's select Mother's Day brunch. And if you look at the trend graph, you'll notice it spikes around the month of May, which basically tells us there's a very high chance that it's going to shoot up again. That's exactly the kind of opportunity we want to jump on. Now, scroll down a bit and you'll see the popular pins section. Go ahead and click into that, and this is where Pinterest loads all the top performing pins for Mother's Day brunch. This is basically your real time content inspiration right there. Now, what I like to do here is grab one of the top performing pins. Just right click on it and copy the link. Then head over to Pintrendo. Once you're inside it, go to the Annotations Hunter tab, paste that link in, and hit the Fetch Annotations button. What this does is it will pull out all the keywords and tags that Pinterest is actually associating with that pin. So instead of guessing what works, you're literally seeing the exact data Pinterest is using to categorize and push that content forward. This is pure gold, guys. Now, what you need to do is copy all the annotations that this Pintrendo tool is giving us. Next, copy and paste it to the ChatGPT article writing prompt. This is my prompt which I use to write the articles. In this case, what I've done is I've already pasted the annotations in my prompt. Let me just change the uh, target keyword over here because target keyword looks different. So I'll just change that for now. What I'll do is I'll change it to Mother's Day brunch. Brunch. And now what I'll do is I'll just see if everything is in right order or not. Okay, so it looks good. Now let me just write the article. So now ChatGPT will give me a detailed article along with the image prompt. It's still writing. So give it some time for the article to be completed. Once it's done, I'll show you what exactly needs to be done next. It's still writing, so let me see if it's done or not. Think it should be done. You see this? The article is not just like the high level article. It's nice and helpful as well because whoever reads it will be able to make the recipe on their own. So it looks like the article is completed. Now what I'll do is I'll copy this article and I'll paste it to my Google Docs. There it is. Okay, it's here. So let's paste it over here. Now make some formatting changes so that it's readable. I won't do the entire article, guys. I'm just showing you how the things work. So doing some basic changes over here so that it's nice and readable, just like how I write in my blog. Okay, so this looks good. I'll change it to heading to okay. So the text looks perfect as well. Little more formatting here and there. Scroll down a bit. So this is the perfect. So this is the image prompt which that ChatGPT has given us. Now what I'll do is I'll head over to Gemini, and in Gemini what I'll do is I'll create the image using that prompt. It's pretty simple and straightforward, guys. Image prompt. So Gemini will take some time to give me the images. Still loading. You see what's happening, guys? I did the research using Pinterest trend, and then I gave the prompt in ChatGPT. Before doing that, I fetched the annotations, and then ChatGPT gave me detailed article. And after that, I use the image prompt to generate images. And this is the image that I get for my first idea. So what I'll do is I'll just take a screenshot of it and then I'll save it somewhere. I'll copy this idea. I'll save it so that I can include that in my article. And the downloads, I'll do that. Click on save. Now what happens is, what I'll do is I'll change the image size because this will be into my blog post. So the size of the image should be, readable at the same time, not big enough so that my load time is hurt. So 50, click on save. All right. So now that I have my image, what I'll do is I'll upload the image over here. Insert image, upload from computer. There you go. Align it as center. Perfect. So this is how the blog post will look like once it goes in my website. So I'm not doing the images for all the ideas, guys. The whole purpose of this video is to show you how I create images and how you too can create image for your blog. And so this is how the blog post will look like at the end of the day. Once you have created like the title followed by the images, nice font right there, and it also includes all the annotations, all the keywords that annotation tool gave us, right? So there you go. Now what I'll do is I'll create pin images. So that same image can be used as a pin image. So what I'll do is I'll do a screen grab of that and then I'll copy it. I'll head over to Canva, paste that over here, and then right click, set image as background. Now what I'll do is I'll add the branding. You can add brand of your website like ThePortlandry.com. That's, yep. I'll change the font color to white, change the font type to Roboto, increase the font size, effects. What I'll do is I'll take this outline effect, change the color to black so that it looks popped out, increase thickness to, yep, it looks good now. So this is the pin image, that first pin image, and then what you can do is you can just click on add page and keep on adding images until you have 4 or 5 images for that specific blog post, and then you can use those images to post it on Pinterest, and then you can provide a link back to your the blog which you just wrote. So that's about the whole process, guys. Now I have mentioned my detailed Pinterest blueprint, which will help you to grow your traffic fast using Pinterest. If you want, you can just download it from my website, theportablelaundry.com. It's free and it's useful as well. It will help you to speed up the traffic.